Mr. Supranational 2025, Kenneth Cabungcal. Looking dashing. Palakpakan natin si Kenneth. Alright, photo op first before...
But first, I want to thank you all for coming here today, and I want to thank this organization for setting this set up for us and for trusting us on representing the country of Philippines in international stage or in supranational stage. And thank you all to my friends, to my brothers, and to everyone who came here for our send-off presentation. And welcome, everyone. In my preparation, since this will be my last pageant show or my last show in pageant, I really did well prepare for this because I didn't want to lose this chance and opportunity to represent again the Philippines in international stage. So I did prepare holistically. That includes my mental. I need to be mentally strong on this and also be more physically fit. So I also made sure about my physique. And I also want to thank my brother Enzo Bonoan from Mr. Filipinas Worldwide because he helped me on my workout, and he's making sure that he's always contacting me every day, making sure that I'm working out and doing his program. And also, I need to also be prepared spiritually because I know that this wouldn't be possible without God. And also making sure that I prepare all my things like my suits, but the things I need in Poland because it's far away and I need to make sure that I don't left anything behind before going to Poland. Thank you so much.
Alright.
So, because we're from Thursday, go to Australia, and I'm very thankful for that opportunity because it's also a training for me, flying outside the country and experiencing what to do because maybe I get lost in the airport when I go there because I don't really know how to travel internationally. So thanks to Mama J, and I hope I'm so excited also to create more friendships there, brotherhoods. That's one thing in pageantry that I really want and I'm always expecting because I know that this pageant thing is just 4 days and I hope that I will really have the brotherhood that will last a lifetime.
Promote the online voting for the Mr. Supranational.
Yes naman guys, please do support us, most especially online, sa lahat po ng kapwa ko Filipino, sa lahat ng supporters ko, please do kasi we really need you guys, we need your support and mas gagalingan pa namin kung nandyan kayo. Salamat.
Okay. Next question.
Is there's always pressure, especially when you're reaching for the stars. So, but it's more of an honor that I will carry in my heart na di ko po ito sasayangin na chance kasi minsan lang po ito mangyayari. Mas gagalingan ko po talaga. And I think this is also my comeback in international stage. Kaya I hope that what I've learned from my previous pageant I can apply in this journey.
Thank you so much and congratulations again.
Basically, kasi gusto ko pong mas galingan doon and mas ibigay yung best ko. And para po walang butas yung performance and lahat ng gagawin ko doon sa Poland. So, medyo pressure siya kasi konti lang yung time. But I'm thinking also na it's been 3 years that I'm joining pageantry now. And I have learned a lot from those 3 years of my pageant journey. So, I think I'm ready now for conquering again in the international stage. And I think yung mga natutunan ko is that those are the things that I will really apply on my journey in supranational.
Thank you, Tara.
One of the winners of the Supra Chat Challenge, ano pa yung plan mo para maboost yung iyong moral at yung confident pagdating mo sa Poland? Sa Poland.
Ano ito?
Ano pa yung mga plan mo, your game plan para maboost yung moral mo and lumakas yung lalong yung confident mo when you get there in Poland?
Right now, I think must always be ready and prepared when we go to Poland. So right now, I'm using my time well in my preparation right now. Also, in my cardio training, on my physique, I'm making sure na mas prepared ako when I go there. And Kenneth is someone that is always ready when I'm going to Poland.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ano yung message mo or ano yung masasabi mo na ikaw rin yung parang pure Pinoy na lalaban for Mr. Supranational? Because yung mga previous kasi natin na candidates medyo half-half. So, you're pure Pinoy na lalaban. So, go.
For me po, this is an advantage for me kasi this is something na I am unique from the previous batch of kings na nag-represent the Philippines. And I hope na ma-appreciate ko nila yung beauty from the inside and outside po as a Filipino.
Thank you so much and best of luck. Kung nanalo kayo, promise na nararamdaman ko.